Looking for a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life? Say hello to the ultimate style-savvy solution, the sand picture. Flip it over and watch as the elements duke it out in a mesmerizing dance. The sand's all like, I'm settling down, folks, while the air's like, I gotta jet to the top. And the water? Well, it's hosting one heck of a party, of course. The result, a hypnotic display of sand mountains that never look the same twice. Plus, you can control the amount of airflow to speed up or slow down the sand's movement. So why wait? Add a touch of magic to your life with sand art that's anything but ordinary. I beg your pardon, but there's a burning sculpture over there, and no one seems to be taking care of it. What do you mean it's water? Yep, it's not gas, it's not ethanol, it's water. 100% safe with a cold flame and without harmful emission. It's essentially an electric fireplace with ultrasonic technology used to create the effects of flames and smoke. These effects consist of a very thin haze illuminated by LEDs. The light bounces off water molecules, creating a convincing illusion of fire. It offers several operating modes, each of which is whisper quiet, and it comes with a remote for quick setup. Most important thing is that it's absolutely safe for people and pets. Fun fact, moss generates about 30% of the Earth's oxygen. See that air filter with the moss inside? Moss air improves air quality by capturing carbon dioxide, dust, allergens, bacteria, and viruses, reducing respiratory problems and cancer risks. Yep, all thanks to the moss inside. Just switch from the terrarium to humidifier mode and don't forget to refill the water tank every 8 hours. It's a piece of nature on your desktop that improves the surrounding air. I think that's a win. When going on a rave, don't forget to take these smart LED glasses to show off a little. Use the app to pick one of numerous patterns and animations. Don't find anything to your taste? Paint graffiti with your fingers in the creator mode. Safety's also thought through. The glasses won't damage your eyes, and wearing these neon glasses, you'll look like you've come from the future. Just select a preferred color from 7 available and add a dynamic effect. Strobe mode will be an additional benefit at parties. If you're a beginner musician, tuning your instrument's the first thing you need to do. Roadie 3 is an automatic tuner that can tune almost any stringed instrument with geared pegs, including electric and acoustic guitars, ukuleles, mandolins, and banjos. It uses advanced vibration detection technology to analyze the pitch of the string and turn the peg automatically to get it in tune. With over 150 built-in alternate tunings and the ability to create custom tunings, Roadie 3 is a versatile tool for exploring new musical styles. Not a big swimmer? This Kingii bracelet might save your life one day. It works just like a life jacket, but it takes up much less space, and you can easily swim underwater for as long as you don't want to go up. If needed, just pull the lever to pierce the internal CO2 cartridge, and the bag will start to inflate within seconds and bring you to the surface. It also has a whistle and a compass. What's the best way to keep your valuables safe? Keep them right in front of everyone. Nope, not that way. You better put everything inside this portable safe. It fits 2 or 3 wallets, your phones, your sunglasses, keys, and so on. So set a code and lock the safe securely to your beach chair or any other piece of furniture. Go talk to that chick. She's waiting for you in the pool.